Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Suzuki vs Strom SX performance. The Suzuki V-Strom SX stands boldly in a luxurious showroom, a masterpiece of engineering and adventure. Its striking design, illuminated by soft ambient lighting, captures the essence of freedom and exploration. The name Suzuki V-Strom SX shines proudly on the wall, a symbol of power, reliability, and innovation. Every inch of this motorcycle exudes confidence, built for riders who refuse to be confined by limits. With its aggressive beak-inspired front design and high ground clearance, the V-Strom SX is ready to conquer any road. The LED headlamp cuts through the darkness, ensuring clear visibility on every journey. The sculpted fuel tank, adorned with bold graphics, enhances its adventure-ready stance, while the aerodynamic windscreen minimizes wind resistance for a smoother ride. At the heart of this machine is a powerful 250cc engine, delivering an exhilarating blend of performance and efficiency. Whether navigating city streets or taking on rugged terrain, the V-Strom SX offers seamless power delivery, precise handling, and a riding experience that fuels the spirit of adventure. The lightweight chassis ensures agility, making every turn effortless and every mile a thrill. Step closer, and the premium craftsmanship becomes even more evident. The split-seat design provides superior comfort for both rider and pillion, making long journeys more enjoyable. The ergonomic handlebar positioning ensures a relaxed yet commanding riding posture. The digital instrument cluster offers real-time updates at a glance, keeping the rider informed and in complete control. Built for those who seek adventure beyond boundaries, the V-Strom SX comes equipped with dual-purpose tires for maximum grip on diverse terrains. The dual-channel ABS enhances braking performance, ensuring stability and confidence even on unpredictable roads. Luggage mounts on the rear add practicality, allowing riders to carry essentials effortlessly for long expeditions. As the roar of the engine fills the showroom, the excitement of the open road becomes almost tangible. The reflection on the polished marble floor highlights its stunning presence, making it clear that this is not just a motorcycle, it is an invitation to explore. Every detail, from the sleek bodywork to the precision engineering, speaks of Suzuki's legacy in adventure riding. For those who live for the thrill of the ride, the Suzuki V-Strom SX is more than just a mode of transport, it is a statement. A machine built for explorers, designed for dreamers, and engineered to turn every journey into an unforgettable adventure. The road ahead is waiting. The Suzuki V-Strom SX is ready to take you there. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.